Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive, and it's early morning here. It's been raining and it's been thundering like crazy out there. And guys and gals, we've got lots to talk about. Elon Musk is tweeting up a story showing his love and support for Dogecoin, so we're going to jump into that one. That is going to be huge, and that is a huge catalyst. That's going to be great for the Dogecoin community, guys. So, guys, it's official. It's official. We're going to talk about what is official and what is that and how is that related to Elon Musk. So you're going to love that. We're going to talk about, Bill Draper in the house. He's saying some really positive stuff for Bitcoin. We could be seeing a huge rise to the upside, and we're seeing some technicals that we're going to jump into. That this whole big fake out, this whole downward crash fake out that we're experiencing is and could be over, and we could be seeing ourselves going uppity up, guys, like a madman out there. So let's jump into the markets, guys. Let's get it. Remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and I would appreciate if you would go down there right now. I'm not saying another word, and boop the likes, smash the likes for humans, amoebas, aliens, and dogs and cats out there. Show some love and give me one of those right now. And guys, don't forget to comment. We got to get this content out there, and the only way we can do it is feed the algorithm, guys. And the only way to feed the algorithm is you got to smash the likes, subscribe, and comment. And guys, copy this video link and share it with your friends. Do it right now. Okay, now you've done that. Let's get it, guys. So we're seeing that right now, the U.S. markets, they close pretty good, guys. We're seeing everything in the green. NASDAQ was up over 3%, so that's pretty bullish. We're seeing the S&P was up, and we're also seeing that the Dow Jones was up. But, the weirdest and wackiest thing out there is that there's been a very much strong uncoupling right now, because the broader markets went up, the S&P went up, but in fact, the cryptocurrencies tank, guys. So they were just tanking like a madman out there, and we're seeing that Bitcoin is at $28,729 in the house. It's like down like almost 2%. Ethereum also is down as well. We're going to talk about why Ethereum is down, and that had something to do with the Beacon blockchain and the merge, guys. So we're going to talk about that. So might be some technical issues with this upgrade to a proof of stake, guys. So we're going to jump into that. So keep watching, and if you want to show some real love to the OG, super chat. So get it, guys. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index in house right now. So fear and greed, despite things continue to going down. Well, not down. I mean, Bitcoin's going sideways, right? Ethereum is having some issues, but we're going to talk about that. But the fear and greed did increase just slightly, just gingerly, just one out there. Special likes. And, remember, the smart money, the whales are still buying, guys. I remember we had this whole ton of futures expirations that have happened. So that is pretty good news in the house. So that is cool. Now, we did have the core CPI data as well. That did come out as well. And the good thing about the April core CPI data is that it is actually less, and it came in exactly in line with expectations. So that is why we saw the broader markets going up. So that's pretty good. So let's jump into the Doge, guys. Let's jump into the Doge informatics right now, and let's get it, guys. So right now we're seeing, let me get these pop-ups out of the way. We're seeing that 53% of all the Dogecoin holders are still in money, pretty much unchanged, because we're seeing that the itty-bitty Doge is just going sideways, guys. So, the Doge is, it's like, the Dogecoin is like, it's like a dog digging in the backyard to find his bones. He can't find the bones. He just keeps, going around, and nothing's really happening, guys. So we're seeing that 47% are out. And right now, if you look at the overall technical indicators, we're mostly bearish for the Dogecoin. So right now, guys, we got some Elon Musk news. Keep watching. Right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we can see that Dogecoin yesterday, we did have this big pumpity pump, and it went up to 9 cents, and that is because of what Elon Musk said. We're going to talk about that. But right now, we're seeing that Elon Musk Elon Musk, but Dogecoin has been a bit of a comeback kid. We were trading around about 7.5 cents, and we did blast off all the way to 9. That was because the Elon Musk effect that we're going to talk about. But overall, we are still above the 8-cent support level. So that is peachy keen. So blast out, smash the likes, guys. And I do got some links down there. I've got links to my Patreon. I got links to merch. I got links to NFT. So go down there, check out the links, guys. I would appreciate it, and don't forget to give super chats. So right now, I just want to talk about Elon Musk, and he's been tweeting out a storm, and a lot of people are kind of not really are kind of missing this one. And I think, we need to talk about it. as you guys know, Elon Musk has this whole Starlink, and they have all these satellites that are orbiting the Earth, and his whole vision and mission is to provide internet to those that are in locations where the internet is not easily accessible. That's one. The second is he wants to provide internet as a competitive business to install internet, base internet. So we all have our providers out there like AT&T and whatever. Here in Vietnam, we got the Vietnamese internet, whatever. But he wants to provide an alternative to that. So I think what everybody is missing is that one Starlink can provide internet for an entire school of hundreds of students. It's a great potential to lift people out of poverty. Providing internet is teaching people to fish. So you have to understand that Elon Musk and the Doge Foundation, they have created this Doge radio, and this is a line of sight thing that can communicate over long distances, and is connected to Starlink. So this is also part and parcel of the whole development of creating a cryptocurrency for the bankless, the cryptocurrency for people in developed countries, to allow them to have access to a currency, a digital currency. So you guys are, sometimes we're missing the point that Starlink is also a key development in the deployment of Dogecoin being a global currency for those in developing countries. So I think this is a big takeaway from that. And as the Starlink starts to expand and increase its reach, and once we get that Doge radio, it's going to be a huge catalyst. But more so, Elon Musk is still showing very much his huge support, because he came out with this tweet, and this tweet came out just some time ago, and it says Tesla merch can be bought with Doge. We all know that, pretty cool. And soon SpaceX merch too. So keep in mind, we have the SpaceX Doge 1 launch mission, and you have to understand that the timing is very critical here, because now you can buy SpaceX merch with Doge, and that is also a precursor to the official announcement that we're going to get the Doge X1 to the moon, and it's going to be coming soon, guys. So this is one of the reasons why Doge is pumping right now, and this is one of the reasons that you guys should all be excited about Doge, because Elon Musk has not forgotten the community, has not forgotten the Doge army. He's still out there. He's still working with it. And don't forget, we got the Twitter deal, the Twitter winner deal. I mean, there's some back and forth. The Twitter shareholders are mad because basically Elon Musk discovered the truth about Twitter, that it's full of bots and spam bots, and they were artificially saying it's only 5%, yada yada yada, to inflate the price. So when Elon Musk did his due diligence, he said, "Hey brother, it's not 5%, it's 20%. So we got to make a deal. We got to reduce the price." So there's this class action suit that's going on for that. They're kind of delaying it because the board of directors all look like they have egg on their face because they basically lied. Okay, and they just want to say that they didn't lie, and they want to have a class action. It's like tit for tat, ba ba ba. So that's going to delay the whole Doge Tip Jar out there, but it's going to come. It's going to come. It's just a matter of time, because Elon Musk is like a dog with a bone. Once he gets his mind to it, So let's jump into what's happening with Bitcoin, guys. Let's talk about what Bill Draper has to say about this huge prediction, and you're also going to show you some evidence that this is a big breakdown, is a fake out before a big reversal to the upside, guys. So yeah, people say, "Oh, you're just a moon boy, always talking positive." Well, guys, it is what it is. That's what the data is saying. I know a lot of you out there are not feeling so good right now. And particularly those of you that didn't diversify, like I've been telling you for over a year, diversification is key. And if you're just holding only altcoins and you don't have a big bag of Bitcoin, you're probably feeling a lot of pain right now. But like I said, diversification absolutely key. And in the bear markets, this is where the real money is made, and this is where the real test of the fortitude out there. Because if you panic sold, you're missing it. Because right now we can see the Bitcoin dominance at 46% out there. So the last time we had about 46 was back in July. And remember, this is when Bitcoin tanked from its all-time highs. And what we're going to be seeing is once we hit this level, and we're almost, last time when we were about 47%, then we had a huge reversal. And, that took us down to January. That when we had an all-time high. And then also here back in September, we had a big, the dominance was up to around 48%. And then after that, we had a big reversal. I remember when Bitcoin dominance was at 48% back in September, we saw that the altcoins bled out. Everybody's like, that's it, it's the end of crypto. And then that happened, we had a reversal, and Bitcoin price went up, and the altcoins start to thrive again. So from that perspective, we are seeing right now that the Bitcoin dominance is, now in a trend line resistance with a potential bearish diversion setting up. So that is good. So if we see this bearish diversion setting up, that means that the Bitcoin dominance price will go down and the altcoins will go back up. So we can see here that in September, if we go all the way back here to September, you can see that this was kind of like the high point of dominance, and then we went all the way up here. We had a this is when the Bitcoin was at 58%. Then we had this big crash, a little bit of accumulation. And then around September, as I just showed you, the Bitcoin dominance started to go down, down. And that is when we had the reversal. That's when the Bitcoin price actually started to shoot up. We hit a high of 68, and that's when altcoins were pumping. So it looks like that we could be setting up for something very similar for Bitcoin right now, because we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is rising. It will continue to rise. Bitcoin price will start to slowly reverse soon. The altcoins will continue to bleed out, and then suddenly we'll have a massive rally. And what happens is there'll be this whole euphoria situation, and then a lot of liquidity will move out of Bitcoin because it starts to reach its high, and then people think that Bitcoin's going to tank, and then they're going to start to move it into altcoins, and then we're going to have a full-blown altcoin season. So I wouldn't be too panicky right now. I would not be too panicky about the Bitcoin dominance. We needed to go a little bit higher. We needed to, as I said, it hit a low, it hit a high of 48, then it went all the way down in September when it went down to 39. So I believe that we're going to get a reversal in the Bitcoin dominance, and as we can see here, there's a the bearish diversions coming as well for Bitcoin dominance. So that's not too bad. So guys, just don't panic out there. And I did tell you, I did draw this, I call this my yellow squiggle line, and we did see that Bitcoin is acting exactly as I predicted, and right now we're at 28,769. So we're just slightly below my 29,000 support level. But I did tell you all that this is what's going to happen, that we were going to gingerly go down. We were going to probably go down, go below it, and then we'll reverse to the upside, and we'll pick up some momentum. So Bitcoin is doing exactly what I said it would do. If we take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, we're getting closer and closer to closing a weekly candle out there. So that is pretty good from that perspective. And we have just dropped below my blue box of doom. So I think we're going to get there. I would still say that it's valid. We're still in the blue box. I think we're going to get a reversal coming in pretty soon. And you can see that we're still far away from the minor capitulation line. And it looks like we've got 2 days left on this red candle. So definitely we're going to be painting, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it looks like we could be starting our 10th week of a huge doom and gloom red candle, and this cannot continue forever. The law of probability says at some point we're going to have a green candle, right? It's like just the laws of probability. So that's what that is, guys. If we take a look at the DYX right now as well, sorry, the internet's not good here. So you can still see that DYX is going in the right direction. Well, it's going down. But the weirdest and wackiest thing is we had the broader markets going up because the core CPI data was good, but we still have the cryptocurrencies going down. So this leads me to believe that there is manipulation. The whales are trying to scare everyone because they know for a fact, Jack, that there's going to be a huge reversal coming to the upside, guys. That is a fact. So, we can see right here that there is going to be a huge bull run starting. This is from TA Analyst. I want to just say thank you, TA Analyst, for providing superb, information for all the crypto world out there. I just want to say thank you. Thumbs up to TA Analyst if you're watching. So, TA Analyst, what he's saying, the most accurate detector for the start of a big bull run, the precision is such that the bottom wick can be found. We've just detected one. So we've just detected one right here. And what this is indicating is when this indicator hits, it is often an indication of a bull run reversal. The bull run is starting. So you can see that here, we see this lower line here. You can see the bull run starts here. Yes, it did. We confirm hitting that, and the bull run did in fact start. We're seeing the same pattern here. We detect this went down to this line here, and the bull run started. So we're seeing that it just hit the KC lower. We just saw that the Kettler channel has just been hit within the last 24 hours. And this is indicative, and if we go all the way back to 2014, this is indicative of the beginning of a bull run. So that is why I believe, Dan Draper believes, that we are going to get a huge reversal to the upside. And I believe that, we can see right here, this is also from TA Analyst in the house as well. And what he's saying is that Bitcoin ready for a huge bull run. Booyah, baby. And we have this false breakdown, a huge bull run. We've just finished step 2. So we had this false breakdown here. And we're just seeing right now we have this false breakdown, and this is going to reverse to the upside. So we had a false break, we had a false breakout, we had a false breakdown, and then we're going to see a huge bull run, guys. So I don't know if you guys can feel it, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the data is showing and telling me that we're going to have a reversal and we're going to have a bull run. And remember, sometimes crypto kind of fakes you out, and crypto has these capitulation times, and this is the second capitulation zone that we've been in. And often when you have consecutive capitulations, then what happens is you have a reversal, and that's what Bitcoin is doing. So billionaire Tim Draper doubles down on his $250,000 Bitcoin prediction. Here's the timeline. So venture capitalists is saying that we could be seeing a $250,000 Bitcoin coming in by the end of the year. So he says, Draper says in a new interview, by the end of this year or early next year, Bitcoin will hit a price of $250,000. So guys and gals, ride the wave, ride the turbulence, ride the volatility, embrace the fear, because everybody is saying that we're going to be going up, guys. I believe it. You should believe it. I just believe that we're going to go. So if you look at this, you can see that the 2021 total transaction value, Bitcoin was 13.1 trillion. That's bullish, and Visa was 10.4. So you're seeing right now that the Bitcoin transactions are outstripping all the Visa transactions. So that is bullish, guys. The Bitcoin blockchain is healthier and healthier. Just in, Binance becomes the first major crypto exchange to gain regulatory approval in Italy. This is bullish, absolutely bullish news, guys. So that is cool beans in house. So and I did talk about earlier that Ethereum sinks as a beacon chain suffers a reorg issue. So what had happened is basically, as we have Bitcoin, Ethereum being converted to the merge upgrade, what happens, there was a bit of a hiccup. So as Ethereum readies for a highly anticipated merge upgrade, its network had a few hiccups. The merge plan to shift Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake, making the blockchain more efficient. On Wednesday, Ethereum, crucial beacon chain of proof of stake chain experienced a reorg issue, and that is one of the reasons why we saw Ethereum go down. So Ethereum went down because there was a bit of a technical hiccup with the beacon chain. That's been solved, that's been fixed, and that is why we saw Ethereum going down. So right now, for the price of Luna right now, Luna is at 140. So this is, I'm going to start calling this Luna Classic, and it looks like that we're going to get the airdrops on the 28th. A lot of exchanges right now, if you go to Binance, for example, you look at the Luna, the dollar value is 0. That's because of migration to the new chain. So we should be expecting some airdroppy drops soon. How much you will get, that it really depends on the algorithm and all of that kind of stuff. So we can see right now that Ethereum, as I said, it has been dipping, has been following my descending triangle, and that has to do with, as I said, there was a hiccup with the beacon chain that has been corrected, and so we should be seeing that Ethereum should start to make a bounce to the upside, and it is. It's at 1742, so that is looking pretty bullish in the house, guys and gals. So that's going to bring this to a close. But before we do that, let's take a look at the total market cap. So total market cap is about 1.21 billion. The volume is like 61.10, and the Bitcoin dominance is way too high, but it has come down a little bit. So that is good. That is absolutely good news in the house. So let's take a look at the carnage in the house, absolute carnage. So we are seeing that Bitcoin is not suffering as much as the other altcoins. We're seeing that Bitcoin is at 28,768, down 1.52%. And remember, we're going to get the weekend, so the volume is going to be a little lighter, but we could see a reversal coming this weekend. We're seeing that Ethereum is down almost 3% at 1742. We're seeing that BNB is almost neutral at 303. We're seeing ADA is down as well, 4.18%. We're seeing Solana is down just over 5%. And we're seeing the Doge is uppity up 5.57%. 2%. So Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin is love is Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is definitely the comeback kid, the gem, the darling of today's crypto story. So that is pretty good. So we're overall seeing that everything is red, but the amount of red today is not as dramatic as it been all week. So as the Bitcoin dominance comes down, we can expect some reversals in the house. So guys, I love it, you love it, don't worry about it, guys. Cheer up out there. We are going to see the promised land of a huge reversal coming soon, and I just believe it, guys. So with that being said, guys and gals, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. We got 4,452 followers. Boop the likes for humans, cats, aliens, and amoebas out there. So boop the likes, guys. Show some love, subscribe, and don't forget to give super chats, guys. Come on, show some support, and also please do check out the merch. Get the merch, get the mug, get the cap, and get the cup of love, guys. Get the merch up, guys. And remember, all the merchandise, all the memberships, all the super chats, all goes to charity. And I will be doing a charity video soon. And you're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. And guys, be blessed, be well, and don't panic out there. Peace out.